lot of fun, huh, guys? Yeah. I miss my wife and my dog. It's terrible that I'm out here, but I'm gonna survive. Ni hao, ni hao. Hello, you're on TV. YouTube. Uh-oh. Look at this, beautiful job, beautiful. Very nice. Hello, excuse me. There he is, how's everything, okay? You having fun? Look at it, he's on YouTube, you're gonna be on YouTube. Okay, guys. A nightmare, a real freaking nightmare. Okay, I reached my destination. And here I am, as you're gonna see, that this was done, but what I have to do was not done. I was hoping I would get a break, but I did not get a break. So, I gotta go up the stairs. I gotta go up and shovel. I gotta go up and shovel. I gotta go up and shovel. Yeah, I love that thing. That is cool. Wait. It's a real wild mess. I gotta check my car, check baby JJ. How beautiful, look, mommy. Oh, look. Ni hao. Oh, give me the paw. Oh, you're beautiful. Look at the car. Hate this. Going home to baby G.